Hi, my name is Christina Vincent, and I currently serve with the Assemblies of God Network of Women Ministers, specifically strategizing for our under 40 credentialed women and young women currently enrolled in our AG universities. Over the last few decades, there's been a lot of material written and teachings done on the importance of mentoring and coaching. As leaders, you and I have a responsibility to invest in those God places in our care, not only to nurture them spiritually, but to recognize and assist developing their leadership skills and gifts. Interestingly, in 2017, our Assemblies of God credentialing department reported that 75% of our current leadership is male. So it's likely if you're watching this, you are a male leader or you know a man who serves in a lead capacity. So in light of that, how should our male leadership develop female leaders alongside their male counterparts? I want to offer some thoughts towards this. First, begin coaching in groups. Jesus invested in the 12, and more specifically, the 3. Gather a group of aspiring leaders, male and female, and begin investing in their leadership calling. Within that group, try and implementing these 5 steps. Number 1, provide women with the direct feedback they need to succeed. Research tells us that men provide more direct feedback to men, but hold back when providing feedback to women. Be intentional about giving honest evaluation to females that's going to allow them to grow in their leadership. Second, provide opportunities for women to have a voice at the leadership table. A number of years ago, I was sitting at a conference table full of men, and our team leader looked at me and asked why I never spoke. To be honest, I was shocked. Previously at other leadership tables, my voice and thoughts had either been shot down or not valued. So I stopped speaking. This leader empowered my voice. He invited and expected my voice to be heard at the leadership table. Third, share the platform. Place women strategically in leading positions. How will women in your context know they can also lead if they never see another woman leading by example? As well, our leadership teams should reflect the diversity of our context, not only ethnically, but also in gender. Invite a woman to lead a meeting, to preach a sermon, to oversee a project. Consider this overall. Are there places in your ministry that women have not been invited to lead? Number 4, create boundaries, not barriers. At times, women are made to feel like they've done something wrong simply by being a woman. You and I are called to a lifestyle of integrity, but females often feel isolated when men will not meet with them or include them in team activities. Find a way to include women in group meetings, in coffees or lunches that's in a group setting, and include them in recreational activities that are typically only for the guys on the team. And last, be sure to use language that includes both men and women. That may sound simple, but it goes a long way for inclusivity and making everyone feel a part of the team and valued at the table. These 5 actions are not end all, but they will help strengthen and diversify your leadership team for effective ministry in our current culture. You and I intentionally invest in men and women, and we will more readily expand the work of the kingdom. We believe that the church and our communities are healthiest when both men and women are empowered to fulfill their leadership calling at every level of leadership.